Hi, my name is Eric Bork with Bork Construction. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your basic baseboard. It's going to be a 45 corner to another 45 corner. The way I like to call it is long to long, because when you cut it, you're cutting the board to the long part of the board into that corner, and vice versa to the long corner of that corner of the wall there. 129 inches and a 1/16. So with that, I'm going to take my scrap piece and write down 129 and a 1/16. And when I write this down, I usually do all my measurements at once. And when I pull my measurements, what I'll do is I'll write down whether or not it's a long, which that one is, so I'll write an L for long, and then to my other corner, which is going to be another long. Then we're going to go to the other corner, and we're going to pull a measurement, which is going to be the long to the square, because you're going into a square joint, which is the casing of this door. 28 and 9/16. So again, you're going to write down 28 and 9/16, and you're going to be going from your long corner to your square edge. All right, so we already pulled our measurements, so now we're going to cut our baseboard to fit that corner, which was a long 45 to a long 45. So now we're going to cut our joining 45 long corner to the square door casing side. So after you cut your baseboard to fit, you're going to set it in place, long corner to long corner. You're going to match up with the joints together. Once you have it lined up with the edges together, you're going to take your nail gun and you're going to shoot in nails to secure it to the wall. And sometimes, because construction's not perfect, you'll need to take a little mini pry bar and pull that corner out a little bit to merge it with the other corner, because the corner might not be square or there might be texture in the way. But if you pull it out towards the other one, it will give you a nice clean corner joint. Now, once you get to the other 45 long corner, you're going to take your other piece and you're going to slide it into place, meeting that conjoined corner again. Where you can see you have your square against the casing, and then your long 45 corner conjoining with the first piece that you cut and put into place. And once you get it secured to the wall and lined up, so once you get it secured to the wall and you pull that bottom corner out, if the wall is not, perfectly square, that's how you fix that corner to fill in that gap. Use a little mini pry bar, stick it under the base or the top of the base, depending on where it's out. Pull it together. While pulling it out, tack it on. Gives you a nice clean finish corner. And then if you look over here where I did that 22.5 cut, now it gives it a nice finished look reveal on that side. And that's how you install your basic baseboards.
Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.